Hello everyone, this is from Ducky Sourcing again. Ducky Sourcing, we are committed to provide the highest business profit to our customers in worldwide. So today, we are going to introduce the newest remote control car products, which has a spray remote control system inside. So now we are going to open the box, and we have the newest products. It's a remote control and with a spray system car, so we can see what will happen. In this part, I'm going to introduce the function of the remote controller. So the first one is you can move forward and backwards, and for this is to turn 360 degrees. And for the middle things, you have the middle one is the spray function and with the music. And left and right is to move horizontally. In this part, we're going to introduce how the spring system goes work. So we have prepared a straw inside the box. We need the cup to make the straw water in. There is an entrance on the end of the car so that we can make the water inside the car. Now we are going to introduce any functions in the remote controller to make it forward, backwards, and to spraying. And we can move it horizontally, moving to left. And now it is the to green circle. It is a spray system. And to stop it, we not only can use the handle remote controller, by the way, we can use the watch to adjust the car to moving. Since this type of remote control car is upgraded year by year, so especially the remote control car can be controlled by watch, it is very popular to attract more and more potential customers. So now, if you have any inquiries or questions, please feel free to leave a message to our website link. Now, Ducky Sourcing, thank you for watching.